Hey everybody, Justin here with Ultra Bright Lights, and today I'm going to give you an overview of the U-Lite surface mounts. The U-Lite is our ultra light line of lighting. It's ultra light and ultra slim. The U-Lite surface mounts are available in single color, like this red one here, or dual color, like this red and white one here. With a dual color module, it does illuminate the entire module, so you have all red and all white. We have colors available of single color amber, blue, red, white, and dual colors of amber, white, blue, red, blue, red amber, and blue amber. The lights have 12 LEDs across the entire module, 6 for each color, and these are 3-watt LEDs. The optic is a 40-degree optic, means it packs a long distance punch, so it's perfect for long distance visibility as well as punching right through any tint. On the back of the module, there's a breathable membrane, which allows any moisture to escape and allows the light to adjust to any temperature changes. The light is all one piece, and there's no flange or extra parts that might slide around or get lost. And it mounts with 2 holes on either end. And included is a bag of screws, as well as a foam gasket to protect the mounting surface. One side is sticky, and the other side is soft. The lights have 3 modes, and each mode can be set for a different color and a different flash pattern. There are 18 flash patterns, including break, steady on, and much more, and each mode can be set to do a different function as well as a different color. The lights can sync with each other as well as other UBL lights that we have, such as our G3s. They carry a 2-year warranty and are SAE Class 1 certified. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.